Hi, it's the Terry and Jen show. I'm Terry.
She's wrong.
Oh, you don't know that. Today we are unbagging Michael's grab bags. Yay! After season clearance, Michael's puts a bunch of stuff in boxes or bags and sells it at $5 each. So let's get into it. I am so excited. We got these yesterday. I do not know what's in them, and he has been lollygagging.
There's been no lolly and there's been no gagging. Alright. Contents of bag.
Ooh!
Q!
Q! A Q ornament. Which, actually, I do know somebody, their name starts with Q. Maybe I'll give that to them.
Mm-hmm.
And that was original price of $9.99.
Squirt. So we've got these.
So you've got to hold it up. $1.99. Empty bulbs.
We've got a number of those.
Yeah, well, take them out and count them. 1, 2. Ooh. Christmas Noel washi tape. Yay.
Nice.
And that is also $1.99. So that's 3.
So we've got 4 more of those. 5 more of those, 6 more of those, 7 more of those.
Okay. Why don't you put the stuff in the tub over there?
9, 10 more of those.
Oh, yay. 10.
11 more of those.
And I like this size. I am a huge Happy Planner person. Okay.
So 12 of those things
At least.
all together. At least.
Cute.
Cute.
I was telling Terry that I wanted some empty bulbs because I want to put like bits and pieces of crafty items that I make for our niece who was born in March in there and give it to her eventually.
So we've got
A flatter one.
1, 2,
More flat.
3.
We've got a cassette tape ornament that was originally $13. We've got a weird diamond ornament that was originally $10. Oh, look. It's the Y, or the Y dance. This is my Y dance. This is my Y dance.
It is.
This is my Y dance.
This is me imitating your Y dance.
You're supposed to say Y.
Yes.
This is my Y dance.
Why, Jen?
Why not? Why?
Wine.
Just a fake bottle of wine.
Okay.
What is that?
I think it's a Christmassy bowl of something.
Aspic.
Oh. Hot. It's a nice hot for Christmas. We've got more little bulbs.
Hurry up and show them so we can get to the next bag.
Ooh, look. Oh. Oh!
Terry, don't scream at the computer. People are not going to want to watch this if you start screaming at them.
Maybe that's what they like.
Why? I'm going to have to keep this out so anytime you do something weird, I can go, why?
So I'm just going to count the rest of these clear things.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
I'll put these breakables over here
17, 18.
so that they're not in the bottom where they can get broken.
Here's a bell.
An angel just got its wings.
Yes. 19, 20. And there's more washi tape. So a total of 14 washi tapes.
Oh, what are these? Christmas Noel ballpoint pens. Home Sweet Gnome, Holly Jolly, and Peace. These were originally $2.99. Here's another package of them. Look, it's the Star of Christmas. $2.99. That's a lot prettier than like the cassette tape, but its original price was much less.
15 washi tapes.
Yay! I like washi tape.
More bulbs, I lost count.
That's fine.
That. And these bulbs do not have tops to them.
Okay,
so
well, just put them over there.
yeah.
So do you think that $5 was... You could put them in the tub.
I know. But, see? Boom.
So do you think this bag was worth $5?
Absolutely.
Okay. Next bag! Yay! I love these grab bags from Michaels.
Right. This one.
Ooh.
There's some heavier stuff in it. Sometimes it's good.
Connectables. Loops and clips was $1.99.
It's a little craft jewelry sort of thing.
Fabric tape.
Okay.
Jane Davenport. Oh, a journal jacket. That's cute. And it says it's not about the destination, it's about the journal. And it was $3.99.
A little roll of border tape.
It's actually border for like a classroom. It doesn't say like how much it was originally. You need to put some of this stuff.
Kanabuchi.
Handle was $1.99. So if anybody needs a was 19. Can you put some of this stuff in the right place?
Yes.
Planner stickers. Look at this. Was $19.99. Oh, I am excited. Oh. Look at the animals. We don't have a guinea pig, though.
They never have a guinea pig. They need more than
I love my planner.
Da-da-da.
Yay! Ooh, bookish ones. Oh, and this is an original Happy Planner one. So this was also originally $20. Look at these. Book lover. There's some problems here, but that's fine.
Q University.
UQ, University of Queensland.
Ah, sweet.
I've been on their campus.
And there's this.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, I like this. It was originally $15.49. Whoever would pay that for it, I don't know. But it's a little cover, and it's got a little notepad in it. And it's got a place for a pen, and for your credit cards and checkbook. That's probably another journal cover.
It is.
And this one is clear. It was originally $5.99. Oh, this is another one of the bookish ones. Yay! I like big book. Oh, and another bookish one.
And
Oh my gosh. Look at all of this Happy Planner stuff in here. Decorative tape. Oh my gosh. Was $6.99.
ooh, I don't know what these are.
Sculpey. Hello bead. These you can use these to make beads.
Oh.
We could give this to Linda. A friend of mine makes dolls out of clay and fabric. Check her out. Kato. Her historical dolls. KATOHER Torical dolls. She makes historical dolls of female figures. And she is amazing. Oh, fun. Another one of these. So the cover's messed up on this one. This is kind of why this stuff gets in grab bags. But this is nice. These are nice. I like these.
And we've got numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Originally $17. I don't think anybody would pay that. That's why it's in the. That's why it's in the.
Light up your life.
What is candles? LED taper candles.
Kind of cool.
It was $13.49.
And there's H.
Oh, it's my favorite letter. I love
I don't have a favorite
H's.
letter. She has a favorite letter. So.
I love H's. He didn't watch it on Sesame Street when he was a kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
H.
H.
I'm gonna get stuff out the way.
Yay!
Here.
This is shredded paper.
More connectables.
Loops and clips connectables.
Aluminum circular needles.
Yes. And most of the people who have done unboxings look at these and they're like, what are those? These you can knit socks on. Originally $7.79. I know how to knit. I'm not a big fan of knitting.
Okay, so we got to these.
Oh, this is cute. It's like a little pouch. And it's got confetti tissue in it. When I was a kid, I decided I was going to become an entrepreneur after Santa brought me a roll-top desk, child size, when I was like 5 or 6 years old. And I started a confetti factory in the kitchen. Oh, fun! Another Happy Planner branded item. You can see the decorative tape. Oh, I'm going to have fun tonight.
Mermaid Pen Holder.
Oh, that's cute. It's a mermaid pen holder.
More connectables.
Okay, I don't know what these are or why they exist, but...
They're for making jewelry.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. I said it, so that makes it happen.
Do you think your stepmother would wear jewelry made out of that?
Uh-huh. It's, another candle bougie.
I think that's French.
Uh-huh.
And it's not bougie.
It is now.
It's a cloud with a sun.
Let's see. Just some little gift
those
bags.
are cute. We can use those for something.
Nice teal.
We can use this at our wedding. It was because it's our wedding color. So, there you go.
And
axle pegs. Oh, I bet these are for like the knitting looms when like the pegs break. Originally $1.79.
Cool.
Okay, can you put this stuff back in?
Yes.
So was that bag worth $5?
Oh yeah, that was worth a lot more than $5.
I mean, just one of these, I would have paid $5 for. And I got 3 of them, and all the other stuff, and all the Happy Planner stuff. Yay!
This, I think, is our heaviest bag.
Heavy can be good, and it cannot be good.
And I already know why. But I'm going to hand you other stuff.
Yes, because we need to see what we got.
Rock and Roll It Rainbow. Flexible roll-up piano.
That is cute. Originally $50. That's going to make a nice gift for your niece. In case you haven't noticed, I don't want to say her name on camera.
Right.
So right there, that's worth $5.
Okay, we got...
What is this? What is this?
What is it?
A DIY weaver extender. I don't know what this is, but it looks like something.
For extending your weaving.
This looks like something I will use. Originally $25.
Nice. A big old thing of, what is that, teal?
Washable paint.
Washable paint.
You can paint the walls.
Yeah. And then wash them.
Ooh, planner stuff.
It's got washi tape. It's got
It's not all there. It's
flags.
missing something, but that's okay. Look at that. Look at all the washi tape and the stickers and, you know, magnetic bookmark. And this was originally $14.99.
There's two of them.
It was originally $14.99. Planner stuff goes over yonder so I can play with it immediately.
And we've got some...
We've got a US 10.5 knitting needle, 19, and 19 circular needles. So those can go over there. So was that box worth $5, or that bag worth $5?
Everything here has been worth much more than $5. I mean, just unusable stuff. You know, even if not every craft in there is your thing. There we go. Okay. There's a box of DIY glass ornaments.
Yes, originally $7. Okay. Yeah.
So that is going to go here. And...
Don't you have more room in that other top there? Can you bring up the...
Yep.
I'm excited! This is better than Christmas!
There you go. I'm going to let you pull stuff out of here.
Okay. I'm going to hand you... Oh, this is a big Hawken bulb.
Yeah. So I got some more plastic clear ornaments for us to get creative and decorative for next Christmas.
You know, I saw on Pinterest, people like put shavings of crayons in these and heat them up with a blow dryer and make their own ornaments.
Well, that's cool.
More ornaments. Actually, let's go through the other stuff.
Yes.
And
there we go.
yeah.
And now we're coordinating.
Yeah. These were originally $13 each. Are you going to be like Jim Justice and put your hands over your eyes?
Now I don't have to see the sticker I'm trying to put on.
Our governor, if you missed it, you need to look up Jim Justice vaccine sticker, because he was trying to put a sticker that he'd gotten vaccinated on himself, and he ended up getting his mask caught over his eyes.
He had fun with it, though.
Oh, this one's already broken.
Aww.
Yeah, so we'll just put that right in the trash there.
Happens.
Avocado toast ornament.
There we go.
Another avocado toast ornament, and these were originally $12.99.
Gift for your younger folks who eat
And another
toast.
avocado toast ornament, and another hat.
This one looks like you just stretched up some.
Okay.
Hat. Look at that. It's a hat.
Hat with nothing in it.
I can wear multiple Santa hats at the same time.
Another set. Careful with the hats, because these have been having ornaments stuck down in them. Another set of pens.
Let's look down in here.
You. The.
Voo. Oh.
Z.
That doesn't smell like anything now.
Yeah.
That's a shame. Oh, I wish it was actual candy cane.
And we have got all of this is more of those plastic empty bulbs.
Yeah.
So was that one worth $5?
Absolutely. Basket does, yeah. Which looks like it is going to be chock full of planner stuff.
I hope so. I can never have enough planner stuff. Ooh.
Another one. We saw that earlier. There's another one of those. These ones are looking complete.
Mm-hmm.
There's another one. This little Jolie's Boutique grape stickers and wine
Grape
glass.
and wine.
Morph.
Morph. You mold it, morph it, it transforms.
It looks like a sort of play substance, crafting substance.
You would probably have fun with this. Mm-hmm. Okay, here.
Okay, here's more.
Originally $27.
Here's another one that's the same as the first.
Mm-hmm.
Another one that's the same as the second. Well, there's a lot of this dough in here. And so that means much crafting. And...
Oh, yay. Another... Well, these were worth it for these.
Oh, yeah. And the dough is fun.
No.
That was always fun.
Dough.
Dough. Okay, we've got some craft supplies here.
A 10.5 knitting needle set, originally $7.49. Oh, look at those. Look at those big knitting needles. US 17.
We got this.
US 8, originally $6.
Got another
More.
Play-Doh.
I don't know if people can actually see what you're doing from here.
These. More of these.
Circular knitting needles, size 8, was originally $9.49. You're dropping some.
I'm not.
The other knitting needle of this dropped on the floor. It's a 2-piece, size 17.
Huzzah. And there. And there. I'll let you look through there. Oh, I thought you were grabbing it.
No, I didn't know you were handing it to me. Okay, we've got more of the candles. Circular knitting needles, US size 13.
Mm-hmm.
More of the bulletin board stuff for teachers.
Some tags.
Yeah, originally $19.99. I'm not sure
They're
exactly
fancy
what you
tags.
do with those.
They might be like gift tags.
Look.
Washi.
Washi tape, originally $14.90. Oh, this is planner stuff, but I'm not quite sure. It's not Happy Planner, but... Oh, it's got stencils and stuff. Terry, can you take some of this stuff? Because I'm getting piled higher and higher over here.
Okay, well, once you are done with stuff, hand it to me, and then I will know you are done with it.
We've got shredded paper.
Shredded paper. It's pre-shredded, so you don't have to
7
shred it
and
yourself.
13 circular knitting needles. We have got chipboard stickers, 30 pieces, originally $7.39.
Great.
Oh, fun. This is not for the Happy Planner, though. This will not fit my planner. But I can use the Post-its and stickers and stuff, but the rest of this would not fit my planner. And it was originally $16.
Cool.
Oh, here's more hollow bead maker. Oh, here's another one. These were originally $19. Fabric ink. Oh, this is fun. Create beautiful watercolor effects on fabric. Originally $24. Another one of the Recollections Planner stuff that I can use the Post-its and stuff, but the rest of it does not fit my planner.
And
Size 10 knitting needles. Originally $7.49. Oh. Give me. 1, 2, 3 more of these 200-piece planner accessories that were originally $16. Yay! More washing tape. Originally $15. Do amazing things today. Oh, this is fun. Damage-free hanging Command 3M.
You hang things off of it, and it looks like a doorknob.
Uh-huh. Here.
Something
We went to a different Michael's than our local one. And I wonder what we would have found if we got there, like, early.
Okay, sticker book.
Oh, yay! More planner stickers. This was originally $9.99. I love my planner stickers.
By the way, there's another one.
Oh, yay! Another!
Okay.
Why would they put so many good things in a bag?
Why? I want
Why?
to hand you this stack of stuff.
Okay, we've got US size 13 circular needles, stickers, coffee please, a US 10 size circular needle, 10, and another one of the Mermaid tail pen holders.
Okay, so we've got more needle.
US 8, US 10.
And I'll let you look through there.
A butterfly book. Somebody opened this to see what it was and then they didn't like it, so they didn't buy it. Oh, that's cute.
It's got mermaid on it.
And it's got little paper in here. And it says, "Oh, for the love of cod." And finally, another one of the planner things. Yay. So is that worth $5?
Yep.
Yes.
Okey-dokey. So we're gonna.
How many more bags do we have?
We have this one and one more.
No, we should have got more.
Black wood clay.
Great slime mixer. I have no idea what it is. Not a food product, do not eat.
It is for crafting.
Yeah, originally $8.49. Oh, cool. The Lego Movie Legos. Originally $20.
Cool. Got any grapes?
Originally $8.49. This is Sculpt and Squish. Make multiple designs. Mold your own squishy.
Huh.
That's kind of fun.
It is.
This is, it says it's a shaker dashboard. I don't know exactly, like, what you do with it. But here you go.
So here's this.
A paint marker. Originally $3.99. Fabric ink. Originally $7.49.
Uh-huh.
Flexi 3D Doodler.
I'm
this
thinking
is
it's
for
for
like
a
a
3D pen.
Yeah, but we don't have 3D pen, I don't think.
I
We
want to put
might.
more stuff for it.
Orb Moncheese Babies. I have no idea what that is.
It's like a little Buddha.
13, 6. Oh, I see more Happy Planner stuff. Oh, another one of the decorator thingies.
Mm-hmm.
Place cards, in case you don't know where at the table you're supposed to sit. I can direct you
Except
to.
forget where I am.
Stickers, like little flag stickers for books. They're fabrics, so those are cool. Clear. Oh, these are like rubber stamps. Clear stamps. Originally $19.99. You are great. There's a giraffe. Have the time of your life. Hustle.
Hustle.
I'm not into flowery things. This is like a flowered pen holder.
Mm-hmm. And there's this.
Wander Wildly. Oh, cool. Look at all these travel stickers for a planner.
Oh, sweet.
What?
It's a balloon pump.
Oh. Yeah, we need to teach you how to make balloons. I actually have a whole bunch of balloons right over here, and I don't see them at the moment, but yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, more.
Yep, more of them.
Another paint marker.
Mm-hmm. I'm just going to let you scoop on through there.
We've got US size 2, 5, 6, 8, 8, 3, 7, 8, 8, 8, 2, 2, 2, 8, 6. If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm saying the size of these. We've got a size 2, a size 13. You can see the difference in the size 2 and this 13. 7. Bead Landing Charm-Along bracelet, originally $7.99. I don't know what that is. Martha Stewart picks. I'll be picking my nose for you. It's a church camp song.
I don't think Martha Stewart would be singing that, though.
Well, she should. Size 6. Mini DIY bracelet kit was $14.99. Oh, these are fun. Like, different type of planner stickers. Like, these are, like, kind of latexy.
Yeah. They're, like, transparent.
Mm-hmm.
Sort of,
Metallic glue.
It's blue and it's glue.
Oh, fun.
Blues glues.
A brace or a necklace kit. Sticker queen. What's this?
No.
Oh, this is out of something. This is planner accessories that are like really, really supposedly nice.
They look fancy.
Wood key rings, originally 99 cents.
There's enamel tint. Can't quite read everything on it.
A 12-month calendar pack for, I don't know, it's not the planner that I use. Oh, it's for the Recollections Planner. And see, the way that the holes are, they don't fit my planner, but that's okay.
Mixing this up so I can see the color of it.
Oh, this is for the Recollections Planner, a bridal planning kit. More of these bead things.
Kind of like
Bamboo circular needles was $21.
nice.
Yeah, it doesn't... Oh, size 15. Oh, fun! Look at the sticky notes. Yay. I can leave you reminders to do things that you can ignore. Oh, this is neat. More stickers.
These, get them out of the way.
6 and 13. Another one of these with all the stickers in it. 8 and 3. More shredded paper.
Mm-hmm.
Size 3. Oh, fun! Another one of the washi decor tape. Yes to new accoutrements, it says.
Accoutrements.
Yeah.
So we got these.
We've got a 8 and a 3.
Oh, these look like they're sticky flags.
Yeah, sticky flags.
Oh.
Adhesive labels that are circles was $1.99.
Ooh.
And somebody had opened up this bag and looked through it and decided to leave it behind. Can you imagine?
They must
More
not
stickers.
know.
More of the coffee please stickers. Oh, this is fun. It's an accessory pouch. And the way these work is they strap like onto your book, and you can keep your pens and stuff in there.
Nice.
Another coffee, please. A US 9. Oh, fun! These are not planner stickers. These are just like
Stickers. Planners need
been-
stickers too.
I've been wanting like just some kitty stickers because I want to get back into teaching English, and I can like put them on my face as kids' rewards. So is that worth $5? Here. Take these
Oh,
away.
absolutely. I mean, these bags are worth a lot more than they're charging for them, but
They want to get rid of them.
yep.
Oh, this is for the Recollections Planner, spending log, bill due, no spend days. What is that?
I do not know. I think
North?
it might be magnetic. North and south, like magnetic. Yes. It might be like a magnetizer.
Possibly. I don't know.
So I got to do it.
Oh, fun. A mini DIY bracelet kit. It's got a stall on it. 10, 17. What's this?
It's a little squishy cake. It's kind of like a stress ball.
Yeah, it's been really squished. It was $2.99. That's cool.
It's fun.
I like that. I can like squeeze that when I'm getting annoyed with you.
So all the time.
Mm-hmm. Oh, another one of these. Originally $15.99. Non-circular needles for a change. 10.5 and 9. Originally $7.49 and $5.99.
There should be another one of these in there somewhere.
Maybe, maybe not. Some of the stuff, you know, it's a single knitting needle. You can't really do much with just one unless the other one's in there. Size 15. More of the fabric ink. Do you wanna?
Yeah.
I should keep one of those knitting needles.
You probably will.
I just like you with the
Just inflate me so I can like fly away.
like the woman that injected Fix-A-Flat into her butt. She died from it too.
Oh, why did you bring that up? I never even heard about that, and I kind of wish I could go back to the time when I didn't.
Size 8, size 9, size 13, 17, 8, 8, 13, 8, 13. Hey, Shelly, if you want to knit, I got some circular needles. 8 and 17. Yay, more washi tape. Look at that. Look at that. Was $15.
Other than that.
That I can hang you with.
Ah! So much love, so much love. More circles.
Yeah.
Joy.
Oh, Christmas cards. I'll have to send one of these to my college roommate who was named Joy.
It's a 6-candle bougie.
We got the bougies. You're probably saying something really offensive in another language. I don't know it.
Well, if I find that out, then I'll stop saying it.
Somebody please tell me that he's saying something like offensive in another language so I can tell him to stop it.
Very good. Needles.
2, 9, 13.
Some good old.
Oh, these are cool. We
Avery
can use
Lamb.
these for the ice cream party if the pandemic ever goes away. They're name tag badges, and there's 100 of them. Look at that. Those are nice. Yay.
So we got the buttons. More of the buttons.
The bead makers, yes. Ooh. Like list things for the planner. US size 9. More planner stickers. I'm not quite sure why anybody would want these really thick planner stickers, but whatever. How much more is there? Is there good stuff left?
I feel like there's some good stuff left. I'm trying to hold it back.
8. Another one of these. Oh, it also has stencils to it. Mermaid Pen.
Sizzix.
Oh, I don't have a Sizzix machine. Was $24. Yay, more washi tape. Free Spirit, Wild and Free Spirit.
I'm just going to hand you all of this colored glue at the same time.
Well, you can just hold it up. We have got
Sparkly orange.
glow in the dark sparkly orange.
Same with this sparkly yellow.
And then we got another blue metallic.
Mm-hmm. Those into a bin.
Yay! Doing the Jenn biggie.
Okay, so here's another cover.
Yeah. A journal cover.
Ooh, look. Create your own earrings.
Swarovski crystals, or however you say it. Make your own earring kit.
This is Martha Stewart glitter paste.
Martha Stewart glitter paste.
For when you want something to have glitter and for it to never go away.
Glitter is the herpes of craft supplies. Oh, this is cool.
I'm keeping things PG today, and you're not.
It's like a geode pendant, originally $9.99.
It's like a hanging, like...
Ready screw, D-ring hanger. No more ouch.
No more ouch. I don't know what that is. It kind of has an avocado-ish sort of look to it, but I don't think that's what it is. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's like a bead for jewelry making. Yeah, somebody who was doing an unboxing of one of these, they got so much nice beads for jewelry making. I don't know what you do with those. Maybe put them in a bowl as a decoration.
Fancy tag.
Yep. Makes 20 tags.
Another thing is paint.
You guys have to shake it up.
Shake
it up, baby. Pin It enamel pen set. Girl Power, Bay, and Hello.
Yay, Bay. More Martha Stewart
Ooh,
tag.
Mr. Sketch Scented. I love scented stuff. Because I'm not like allergic. I'm like allergic to candles and all that kind of stuff. But like,
You're probably gonna like these.
Yay! We got blueberry. Oh, lemon. Lemon tree. Very pretty. Is this still recording? Okay. Cherry. Grape.
What is that? It smells like peppermint.
Smell.
It's like a, I think it's like a geode sort of thing.
Yeah. This one's broken now.
This one is broken.
Yeah, you can just...
Or not made right. I think that is.
What the heck is this? Oh, this is just a broken, like, toy.
Yeah. And the last thing.
Purse and lipstick beads. So, was this bag worth $5?
Oh, yeah.
And I don't think you showed the tags.
I think I did. I just didn't. The last thing on Martha Stewart tag.
I'm so excited with all my new goodies for Michael.
Tag, you're it.
So, was this worth $40?
Yeah. Of course it was worth. Yeah.
I mean, we paid less for all of this than this Mr. Rainbow was originally. So go figure. Now, let's tally up how much it is so we can put in the description of the video how much we got for $50. And we got a lot of small things, so it's going to be like very valuable. But of course, I would never like buy a geode thing for $10. It is cool. But yeah, I would not buy most of this stuff for the price that Michael sells it for. But, you know, when it gets
this price,
yeah. Like... Yeah, I'm really excited. I get to go play with my planner now. Mm-hmm. Yay. Yay. Oh, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe if you can. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go play. Bye.